Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Clozemaster, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin registering for Clozemaster, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in clozemaster.com and press enter. Once the Clozemaster homepage loads, locate the sign up button at the top right corner of the page. Click on the sign up button to proceed with your registration. You will be presented with options to sign up using either email or social media accounts. If you choose to sign up with your email, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, create a secure password and enter it in the password field. After filling in your email and password, review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree to the terms, check the box to confirm your acceptance. Once you've completed these steps, click on the Create Account button to submit your information. If you opted for social media registration, select your preferred platform, such as Facebook or Google. Follow the prompts to authorize Clozemaster to access your social media account. After successfully registering, you may receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox for the confirmation email from Clozemaster. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will direct you back to Clozemaster, confirming your account is active. Now, log into your new account using your email and password or through your social media account. Once logged in, take a moment to set up your profile according to your preferences. Explore the available language options to customize your learning experience. You are now ready to start using Clozemaster and enhancing your language skills. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.